Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Wanurul Adira binti Puan Muhammad Halimin. My matrix number is CF240072. So today we are from Group 2 who would like to present our project which is CAD application in civil engineering drawing. Our location is at Wisdom in D7.
I will explain about our company, which is DraftX Consultant Sdn Bhd, Malaysian-based company specializing in technical drawing service using AutoCAD, comprehensive solution for construction, mechanical, electrical, and landscape industry. Focus on precision, quality, and fast delivery. Vision our company is to become Malaysia leading reference company in high quality technical drawing services. Mission deliver professional and precise technical drawing services. Meet client requirements efficiently and promptly. Support industry development with the latest technologies. Our services, architecture drawings, mechanical and electrical, structural drawings, 3D modeling and rendering, technical drawing construction and review. Our strength company is experienced and trained team, high quality, accurate drawings, competitive pricing, friendly and readable customer support.
This is our organizational chart. We just start with Nur Airisha Sofia binti Jafaruddin, the managing director, Nur Zuzi Batrisha binti Muhammad Rozi, the architect, Nur Afini binti Abdul Nasir, civil engineering, Nur Husnina Mardia binti Samri, architect, Nur Najwa binti Hamzah, civil engineering, Fatin Filzatun Nafsi binti Muhammad Hamsani, structural engineering, and Wanurul Adira binti Wan Muhammad Halimin, structural engineering.
Our group has been chosen site location which is Wisdom in UTHM. Wisdom in is located at the Centre for Diploma Studies UTHM Paraja Johor, selected for its simple yet structurally challenging 4-level design. Ideal for both architecture and civil engineering analysis. Strategic location. Located near major retail outlets such as Lotus and commercial complex. Convenient access to daily needs and leisure activity for students. Campus facility and environment. UTHM Pariaja campus is fully equipped with modern academic and daily facilities. Conducive environment for student learning and project-based work. Accessibility and connectivity. Approximately 23 km from Batu Pahat and 7 km from Ayer Hitam. Only 10 minutes from the Plus Expressway Ayer Hitam exit. Excellent road connectivity makes the site highly accessibility.
For the features of building, Wisdom Inn has four-level student residence, which is located at UTHM Parit Raja Johor. It is strategic location since it is 4 minutes to Taman University and 9 minutes to Parit Raja Town. It is easy access to cafeteria, G3 Hall complex, and campus bus stop. For the room features, it has single bed and personal wardrobe, study desk and chair, air conditioning, and private bathroom. For building amenities, it has common hall with sofa and TV for student interaction, adequate parking spaces for residents, nearby access to campus facility and town service. It is also affordable for rent, like 500 per month or 80 ringgit per night, and it is recently renovated for better safety and comfort.
I will explain material used in construction. The importance of material selection. The first one is ensure structural strength, functionality, comfort, and sustainability. Crucial in apartment-style buildings like Wisdom Inn at UTHM. Support safe, durable, and eco-friendly living space. Structural materials. Reinforced concrete, foundation beams, slabs, columns. Steel, high tensile strength used in loading bearing support. Clay brick or concrete block. Partition walls, durable and fire resistant. Finishing materials, plastic and gypsum board. Smooth, fire resistant interior walls. Ceramic tiles, durable, water resistant flooring, bathroom or general areas. Paint and coating, visual appeal, protection against moisture. Glass with aluminum frames, modern windows, corrosion and resistant. Utility materials, pipe and fittings, PVC, pipes, coopers, corrosion resistant plumbing, electrical wiring, copper, aluminum, safe and efficient circuits, Thermal and acoustic insulation, improved comfort and noise control, roofing, concrete tiles or metal sheets, durable weather protection, innovative and sustainable materials, recycle waste materials, use in bricks for sustainability, low carbon cement, reduce environmental impact, test by ML UTHM, innovative concretes and advanced blend. Conclusion: Wisdom in use standard and sustainable materials as per Malaysian norms, ensure safety, comfort, durability, and reflect UTHM sustainability goals, indicate potential use of innovative materials at UTHM.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Narisha Sofia binti Jafaruddin and I will explain about my part is a front side view, rear view and hand sketch. So, here we can see the actual front view of the building. This is the real image that shows the overall appearance of the structure, including the arrangement of windows, balconies, staircase and the main entrance. So next, to eat the front elevation sketch prepared by the architect, this hand-drawn sketch is important to help us visualize the building in a clearer and more detailed way. So it shows the position of all the key features such as the staircase, balconies and the windows arrangement for each floor. So the sketch is a simplified version but it is useful as a reference before we move into more detailed CAD drawing. Next, we continue about the second slide is a front side view sketch and AutoCAD drawing. So this slide shows two types of building views. On the left, we have the manual hand sketch of the front elevation, which shows the arrangement of windows, doors, balconies, and staircase. So on the right side, we can see the left-hand side elevation that we produce using AutoCAD software. This drawing provides more accurate measurements and technical details which are very important in the actual construction progress. By using AutoCAD, the building dimensions, window placements, and floor levels are clearly identified to ensure that the design follows the specifications and standard required. Now we continue to the next part is a pad footing and column plan view. In this slide, we can see the pad footing and column plan view that we prepare using AutoCAD. This drawing shows the location and arrangement of the footing and columns that are used to support the entire structure of the building. So the grey square in the drawing represent the columns while the circle represent the footing points. This plan is very important because it will guide the contractor during the foundation stage to make sure all the columns are properly aligned and positioned based on the design. So without this plan, it will be difficult to ensure the structural stability of the building. It also helps to prevent any possible errors in construction.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Alfindi binti Brunase and I will be presenting what my part which is a review of the wisdom in building. So there is a real view of building image we take from the side to create a sketch drawing on the paper which showing details of each level of the wisdom in window, roof and the dimension there. From the sketch of review by architect, we can create a drawing using AutoCAD software to get more detailing of the building dimension and to get some specific material used for the building. So here is a slab plan view of the building by using AutoCAD software. Concrete slab plans are intricate documents that contain crucial specification. Proper interpretation ensures the structural integrity and durability of the slab. Specification details the materials, reinforcement, and processes.
Here I would like to present the left-hand side view of the building as sketched by the architect, which is me. This gives us clearly understanding of the external appearance from the left elevation, showcasing architectural feature and proportions. From this angle, we can observe several key elements, include the walls finishing and the roof profile. The opening for ventilation and natural lighting are clearly shown in this view. The walls are designed to be finished with pan brick walls, so the giving the building a clean and modern look. The symmetry and alignment of the elements like wood adds, it can be reflect to the architecture attention to aesthetic and functionality. From this side, the slope of the roof and its overhang are also visible, designed to protect the walls from direct and indirect sunlight. The left-hand side view helps us to visually how the building will appear in reality from one of the key elevations supporting both design intent and practical function. This is the left-hand side view of the building drafted by the architect with me using AutoCAD software. This side elevation provides a clear visual representation of the building external features when viewed from the left side. In this view, we can see the site profile of the structure, including the wall height, roof slope, and any architectural feature located on the left elevation. The drawing was prepared with accurate dimension and to scale, ensuring the real-life proportions of the structure are maintained. Layering and line types in AutoCAD were used effectively to differentiate between walls outline, opening, and roof detail. So the walls finishing and the roof design are also reflected in this elevation. Overall, the left-hand side view created in AutoCAD provides a precise and detailed architectural representation, helping us to visualize from the specific angle before the construction begins. Now, I would like to present the ground beam details for my building project. The ground beams act as a horizontal structural element that connects the pike up or footing, providing overall stability and distributing load evenly. In this project, the ground beam runs along the perimeter and also across the internal guard line to support the load-bearing walls and columns. The typical dimension for this ground beam are 300 millimeters width and 500 millimeters deep. And here we can see the proper formwork and alignment are accurate to maintain beam levels and adequate compaction is needed to avoid honeycombing, and the waterproofing measure will be also be applied to prevent moisture ingress. The ground beam is to connected to pie cups or footing at each column base with a proper started bus to ensure structural continuity, and overall the ground beam detail is designed to provide a stable foundation system and tie the structural element together effectively.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Nozuzi Batrisha binti Muhammad Rozi, nombor matrik CF240378. Saya akan membentangkan hasil kerja lukisan AutoCAD saya untuk projek kediaman pelajar di Wisdom di Universiti Tun Hussein Malaysia UTHM. Saya telah menyediakan 3 jenis lukisan, iaitu lukisan seni bina, architecture drawing, lukisan jurutera awam, civil drawing untuk bahagian kanan bangunan ataupun right hand side view, lukisan ground floor beam layout. Untuk architecture drawing, pertama sekali ini merupakan lukisan seni bina bagi right hand side bangunan, dan dalam lukisan ini saya menunjukkan elemen utama seperti dinding, tangga utama dan sedikit tingkap yang kelihatan dari sudut pandangan sisi. Saya menghasilkan lukisan ini berdasarkan ukuran sebenar mengikut skala projek dan menggunakan simbol serta notis piawai dalam lukisan arkitek. Setiap komponen dipisahkan menggunakan layer khas, contoh seperti layer dinding, layer arkitek dan layer simbol untuk menjadikan lukisan ini lebih kemas dan mudah difahami. Fungsi utama lukisan ini adalah untuk memberi gambaran fizikal bahagian sisi bangunan serta menunjukkan hubungan antara tangga, dinding dan bukaan tingkap dengan struktur utama. Seterusnya adalah civil engineering drawing ataupun lukisan civil. Lukisan civil bagi bahagian kanan bangunan ataupun right hand side bangunan. Lukisan ini menumpukan kepada elemen struktur yang menyokong kawasan tersebut, antaranya tiang konkrit, ataupun sambungan tangga kepada slab ataupun beam dan struktur dinding beban. Saya gunakan elemen warna untuk setiap elemen, contoh seperti tangga, dan untuk menunjukkan saiz dan gunakan struktur. Lukisan ini dapat membantu jentera struktur dan pembina tapak untuk memahami bagaimana struktur arkitek di bahagian kanan bangunan disokong oleh sistem struktur sebenar. Okey, seterusnya adalah layout. Layout yang saya buat adalah ground floor beam layout. Ialah lukisan ground floor beam layout, iaitu pelan rasuk untuk seluruh aras bawah bangunan. Okey, dalam lukisan ini ataupun AutoCAD yang saya buat ni, saya menunjukkan rasuk utama atau skandal, label seperti B1, C1 untuk setiap beam, sambungan antara rasuk dan tiang ataupun kolom. Saya menghasilkan lukisan ni mengikut pelan grid dan ukuran daripada pelan layout yang kami dapat, serta memasukkan saiz sebenar bagi setiap-setiap rasuk. Lukisan ini amat penting sebagai rujukan untuk kerja struktur di tapak seperti pemasangan besi tertulang ataupun reinforcement bar, acuan konkrit ataupun formwork, dan memastikan binaan berada pada kedudukan yang tepat untuk mengikut reka bentuk. Saya juga mengasingkan komponen menggunakan layer khas untuk struktur, menjadikan lukisan ini lebih mudah disemak oleh pembinaan. Melalui AutoCAD ni saya dapat menyediakan lukisan teknikal yang tepat, tersusun dan profesional, sekaligus memberikan pendedahan sebenar terhadap dunia kerja kejuruteraan dan pembinaan.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Husnina Madia binti Samri. My matrix number is CF240406. Moving on the ground floor plan, this drawing presents the layout of various rooms and structural components in the building. We can observe key areas such as bedrooms, operation area, office and lobby, toilet and laundry room, new and existing corridors. The column indicated in the plan corresponds to the footing types we discussed earlier. This column are supported by the pad footing details in the previous drawing. Also, we can see that the scale using is 1:50, providing clarity of the construction works in interpret the drawing on the site accurately. Let's begin the pad footing details. As shown in the drawing, this is the square pad footing with a typical size of 1.5 meters by 1.5 meter and a depth of 0.3 meters. In the footing is the design in the square shape and the function as a concrete base to support columns in the structure. In this type of the footing is commonly using in industrial or commercial building, as it effectively distribution loads to the ground. The details dimensions shown here, such as 600 millimeters offset, 300 millimeter column base width, and 1,500 millimeter total length, allows accurate placement and sizing during construction.
So there is roof plan. The first one is sketching of roof plans view by architect using hand sketching. The second one is roof plan view by architect by using AutoCAD.
So this is our roof beam plan details in structural drawing by using AutoCAD. The roof beam size is 300 multiply 500 in unit mm. So that is all from us. Thank you.